Hi everyone, I am Cadet Lenatier, NCC St. Joseph College, Autonomous Irinalakuda. My topic is infectious contagious diseases and its prevention. Contents include definition, classification of communicable diseases, preventive measures, vaccination and inoculation. Definition. Infectious diseases are caused by microscopic germs such as bacteria or virus that get into the body and cause infection. Some, but not all, infectious diseases spread directly from one person to other. Infectious diseases that spread from one person to person are called contagious. Classification of communicable diseases. Excremental diseases, droplet infection, contact diseases, insect-borne diseases, waterborne diseases, and animal-borne diseases. First one, excremental diseases. The germs pass out of the body of a sick man suffering from the diseases along with the excreta such as urine and feces. The excreta can contaminate food, water, or hands of cooks and thus pass the infection. Examples: typhus, fever, dysentery, diarrhea, jaundice, intestinal wounds, etc. Here are some pictures of diarrhea, dysentery, and jaundice. Next one, droplet infection. The germs are sprayed out from the nose, throat, or lungs in the air in small droplets of saliva during coughing, sneezing, or even while talking. These germs are inhaled by a healthy man if he happens to be near the sick. Examples: common cold, tonsillitis, influenza, diphtheria, meningitis, and tuberculosis. Here are some examples of droplet infection. Next one, contact diseases. The germs move fast from the sick to the healthy by actual body contact. Examples: venereal diseases like syphilis, gonorrhea, and sick diseases. Here are some examples of contact diseases. Next one, insect-borne diseases. The germs move from a sick person to a healthy person through blood-sucking insects known as carriers. These insects first bite a sick person and then a healthy person, leaving the germs of the diseases in the blood of the healthy person. These germs multiply in the blood of the healthy person during the period of incubation, at the end of which he starts showing symptoms of the disease carried by the insect. Carriers and the disease caused: mosquito, malaria, dengue, and filariasis; sandfly fever, Kala-Azar, oriental sore; lice, typhus, relapsing fever; flies, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, typhoid; fleas, plague, typhus; ticks, relapsing fever, typhus. Next one, waterborne diseases. Certain diseases spread due to infection carried through water. These are cholera, dysentery, diarrhea, jaundice, etc. These spread as water gets contaminated through vomit or feces passing into it. Epidemics are more likely to spread if immediate steps are not taken to disinfect water and to properly dispose of the excreta through efficient conservancy arrangements. All sources of the diseases ought to be segregated. Next one, animal-borne diseases. The germs are transmitted through the agency of animals by drinking milk or through the agency of insects. Examples: rabies, plague, anthrax, and tuberculosis. Next topic is preventive measures for infectious diseases. Wash your hands, obey food safety, practice safe sex, update vaccines, and avoid wild animal bites. Preventive measures: segregate the patient, destroy agents like germs causing infection, disinfection, control of the food and drink, inoculation and vaccination. Preventive measures for insect-borne diseases. The preventive steps that can be taken to stop spreading of these diseases are to destroy all the insects by draining out all stagnant water, puddles, and by spraying drains and muddy places with anti-mosquito emulsions. Mass drivers should be organized to kill all flies, fleas, ticks, and lice through sanitization. All heap of dirt and refuse should be removed. Anti-rat campaigns ought to be organized. All casualties of the diseases ought to be segregated. Preventive measures for malaria: DDT spray, use of mosquito nets, use of mosquito repellents, wearing fully covered dress, avoid stagnant water near living area, spray kerosene oil in stagnant drainage water. Next topic, our final topic is inoculation and vaccination. Vaccine, disease preventive. Injection Rabipur for rabies, injection TAB for typhoid, injection hepatitis B for hepatitis B, injection TT for tetanus, and oral polio for polio. Thank you.